Children, let us go for the fifth problem of exercise number 7.3. Here the question is like this: you have studied in class 9, chapter number 9, example number 3, that median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. Verify the result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A 4 minus 6, B 3 minus 2 and C 5 2. I have already drawn a triangle ABC. Here we have to prove the triangle formed by median. This is median. Median means it is a line segment which joins the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of that vertex. So, here BC is opposite side of A. So, this is midpoint of BC. So, I have already marked this. So, M is connected to the vertex A. So, this is median. So, this median divide the triangle into two triangles with equal area. I have to prove the area of this triangle AMB is equal to area of the triangle AMC. For this purpose, we have to calculate the coordinate of M by using the midpoint formula. Midpoint formula says the coordinate of the midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So, solution: let M be the midpoint of BC as AM is median and AM is median of a triangle ABC. Midpoint by midpoint formula. Coordinates of M is equal to, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. For this line segment or side, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So, 3 plus 5 by 2 comma minus 2 plus 2 by 2, 8 by 2 comma 0 by 2, which is equal to 4 comma 0. This is the coordinates of point M. Now, area of triangle AMB. The area of the triangle is given by half x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y2 plus x3 into y1. So, it is y1 here. So, y1 minus y2. Now, half for AMB, this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y2. M is 4 0. So, now x1, that is 4 into y2 is 0 minus y3, that is minus 2 plus x2 is 4. Next y3 is minus 2. Next it is y1 is minus 6 plus x3 is 3 8. y1 is minus 6 minus y2 is 0. So half into 4 into 0 minus into minus plus 2 plus 4 into minus 2 plus 6 plus 3 minus 6 minus 0, which is equal to half into 4 into 2 plus 4 into 4, 6 minus 2 is 4, 3 into minus 6. So half into 8 plus 16 minus 18. So half into 16 plus 8, it is 24 minus 18. 24 minus 18 is 6. So it is 3 square unit. 2 square unit. Now area of triangle AMC, half into x1, that is 4, into x2. So this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. So y2 is 0, minus, then y3 is 2 plus x2, that is 4, into y3, that is 2, minus y1 is minus 6 plus x3 is 5, y1 is minus 6 minus y2 is 0, which is equal to half into 4 into minus 2 plus 4 into minus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2, that is 8, plus 5 into minus 6, which is equal to half into minus 8 4s are 32 minus 30, which is equal to half into 32 minus 38, which is equal to half into minus 6, which is equal to minus 3. It should be taken as mod of 3. So 3 square unit. So even though we are getting the negative value here, it is taken as positive, because minus 3 is, here we are taking the modulus of minus 3, that is plus 3. So 3 square unit. So here also we are having the same 3 square unit. This is also 3 square unit. Therefore area of triangle AMB is equal to area of triangle AMC. So the median AM divide the triangle ABC into 2 equal triangle. We have to write down the conclusion that median AM divide the triangle ABC into 2 equal triangles. So this is the solution for the